Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today I'm looking at my pool on this beautiful sunny day. So my problems are these ugly stains on my fiberglass pool stairs. Check it out, ugly waterline stains. So, if you're new to my channel and you find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Well, today I'm going to use this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It says, discover all the cleaning possibilities. And we'll see about that. This box comes in 4 pads. Comment below and tell me what you think. Does it really work? I've seen videos of this thing cleaning up markings on walls and on cars, but will it do fiberglass stairs on your swimming pool? Alright then, let's do this. Here's another close-up look of the stains. I'll do this side first, then I'll do the opposite side, then I'll do the center. Alright Jonah, let's put you back into it. Not bad, but it didn't clean 100%. Now let's do the other side. Okay, let's take a look at each side again. Not bad, but still not 100%. Just letting you know, my hand's starting to hurt. This is too much like work. So the pad is pretty well disintegrated since I put a lot of pressure into it. Therefore, I'll take another scrub pad and do the center part that leads to the steps. So in the interest of transparency, I want to let you guys know that this stairs has been painted with special fiberglass paint about 2 years ago. So this may or may not make a difference. Alright, let's do this again. Before I do that, I just wet the area a little bit. Okay, come on Jonah, a little harder this time. So that was the second scrub pad that I used. Using a lot of pressure, it almost disintegrated. Well, my opinion is that 80% of the stain is gone. It's much better than before, but still not 100%. But you decide and tell me what you think. If you guys have other ideas to clean my stairs, please let me know. So if you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.